there or not there? Very less number of messages are there or not there, guys? Okay, now you open this. I think if you reopen, then updated code will come. If you reopen, what? The updated code will come. Where is this, guys? Open with what? HTML editor. Open with what? HTML editor. Again, open. Yeah, this open table is missing, guys. Nothing else. Open table is missing. And it is terminating this also. Save paste. Save this. Okay, go for refresh it. Yeah, when I say info, only info and warn. Only two messages are there, they are coming. Only two messages are there, they are coming. Did you notice it, guys? That means using this, we can filter the log messages that you want to see are not there. If you want, you can filter the log messages that you want to see are not there, guys. Come on, boss. I want reply, my dear. Come on. Yeah. So HTML layout. Is it possible with SOP statements? Okay. So now I would like to go for some other thing. Okay. File appender with HTML layout. Okay. Let's comment this. Yeah. Tell me. File appender with what? XML layout. What layout, guys? File appender with what? XML. I want to get report in the form of what? XML file. I would like to get report in the form of XML file. But before that, I think I have given those things. Okay. Now, working with what? File appender and what? XML in what? log4j setup. Whenever I say XML, for XML related, multiple jars I have to add, guys. What is there? Jackson core, Jackson data format XML, Jackson data bind, Jackson annotation. Actually, these many are not required. Jackson data format XML is one enough. Remaining things will come automatically or not there. MVN repository, guys. Jackson data format what? XML. Jackson data format XML. JSON data format XML is there now, my dear. Relocated to this place. Fine. We gone to that relocated place. 3.2.0.2, whatever it is. Copy this, guys. Save, paste. We have added it. Save this one, my dear. Saved. So do I need to add remaining jars or they are coming? Jackson core came. Jackson data bind came. Data format XML came. Come on. Data format XML came. Data format XML came automatically or not there? There is no need of all adding individual jar. If you add the main jar file, that automatically gives other jars are not there. Okay, now come to this, guys. What is the level? Debug. What is the appender? File appender. What is there? File. What is the name of the file? File up. This and this matching. Suppose if you take file here also file. If you take file there, here also what? File. Okay. Next one. Name file. What is the log file? App underscore log.xml. I want to get in the form of XML. Append true. What is the layout you want to use? XML layout. What's the layout you want to use? XML layout. Yes, if interested, you can add this also. Root logger dot appender ref. Okay. Or here you can take what? R dot ref is equal to file. R dot ref is equal to what? File. That's a logical name, guys. Anything you can check. That's not a big thing. Okay, now let's see. So now I would like to get the output. Okay, app underscore this. Let's run the application. Run as what? Java application. We are getting output, no errors, no warning. Look at the log file generated or not. Refresh. App underscore log.xml is generated or not. App underscore log.xml generated. Open with browser only, I say, guys. Open with what? Browser. Array, browser is not coming here. Okay, now let me take web browser. Open with what? Web browser. The following page contains what? Errors. Array. It's having some schema, guys. We have to see as a raw file only. We cannot open XML in the browser, guys. Especially some schema imports are there. Text editor. See, guys. Okay. Every log message is coming as an event or not there. Start of main method. Connection established. Everything is coming as every same information, but in the form of what? XML tags it is coming. Sir, why XML, sir? Or I want to send these log messages over the network to .NET application. XML, JSON are two global formats now, guys. XML and JSON are two global formats, right? So if you want to send log messages to other application from our application, either we have to generate what? Log messages, either in the form of JSON or in the form of what? XML. So for that one, it is very useful or not there. Yeah, small update, guys. Do I need to add all the jars or only one is enough, guys? There is no need of adding anything. Remove this. Sir, these properties are confusing us. Don't type. Always collect from ChatGPT and paste it. Anyhow, my reference document is there. From ChatGPT, you will get some information. Try to match them. But you understand them. Don't remember them, but try to understand what you are writing. Try to understand what is writing. Okay. Yeah, this jar is enough, na? Only this jar will give remaining jars automatically or not there. Okay, 1 minute. Here, what is there? Here file is there, na? Indicates file appender. Indicates what? Indicates file appender. Indicates, what is there? HTML layout. Indicates HTML layout. This is what? Logical name. What name? Yeah, here what? Must match with above. Must match with above logical name. Must match with what? Above logical name. Okay, that's fine. So now you got the idea about what? XML layout now, my dear. Okay, additional jar to add in pom.xml. Okay, for working with what is there? For working with what layout, guys? XML layout. For working with what, guys? XML layout. Okay. Now, yeah. Are there is simple layout also, my dear. Can we try with a simple layout once? Yeah. While working with log4j2 property file, I said few layouts are possible, few layouts are not possible. Check it out. Official log4j layout supported in dot property file. Pattern layout, JSON layout, HTML layout, XML layout. Does not work. Simple layout. Yeah. Is there any support for simple layout, guys? Well, that's why don't try for simple layout because officially it says what? Not possible. You cannot deal with a simple layout. But anyhow, on safe side, I'll show practicals of it. Log4j, guys. Here, what is there? File appender. Copy this. Say paste. Here, let me comment it, guys. Let me comment it, guys. Yeah, let me comment it, guys. Yeah, simple layout. Simple layout. I don't want to use XML layout. I want to use what? Simple layout. File. Okay, some text file. Here, what is the one I want to take? Simple layout. What's the layout I am taking, guys? Simple. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, guys. I am taking here what? Simple layout. That's good. Tell me. Right click, run as Java application. We are getting exception over there, guys. Cannot invoke file appender, null pointer exception, get element, child type is what? Null. See, when I keep other layouts, it's not giving error. But when I keep simple layout, it is giving error now, my dear. When I keep say simple layout, it is giving error or not there. Did you notice the problem with the simple layout? Okay. Super. File appender and what? Simple layout. Okay. Does not work in log4j. Does not work in what? Log4j2. What is there? Log4j2. Got, my dear? Got the point, my dear? Come on. Yeah. But okay, we'll come to pattern layout. But first of all, I want to go for JSON layout also. Because I said no, there is a possibility of working with what? JSON. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll go to what? ChatGPT. Okay, otherwise, let's use our common sense and try. Okay, let's go to this XML layout and stuff is there. Okay, followed by that, I paste it. Here is my what, guys? Uh, File appender and what? What layout? File up, not simple layout. Okay, JSON layout. What layout? JSON. Okay. Let's select this, remove this, guys. Root logger debug. See, this is how we have varieties of layouts, varieties of appenders. So we are enjoying one by one. Is it possible? All these things are possible with what? System.out.println. So far, what you know maximum? System.out.println, right? Yeah. Or file. Tell me. File dot name. Where is this? TXT. What's the layout we are having, guys? JSON layout. What layout? Yeah, I'm just assuming JSON layout. Okay, if you want, you can take the file name as what? Okay, app dot any extension you can give. That's not a big issue. So now whether it is generating JSON file or not, that matters. Yeah, select test.java, guys. Run as Java application. Output is coming. No exceptions are raised. Okay, now let's say refresh. Let's say refresh app underscore log dot JSON. JSON means key value pairs, na boss. JSON is what? Key value pairs. Text editor. Check it out. Instance, second, nanosecond, thread name. This is the first one. Yeah, second one. Third log message one. Fourth log message one. Fifth log message one. Sixth log message one. So how many log messages are there? Those many log message related information is coming or not there. So right now we are dealing with what, guys? JSON layout. File appender and what? JSON layout. Okay. File appender and what? JSON layout. Okay. So here I would like to put that. So we don't need any special jar, guys. We just need this. Yeah. Yeah, this is for Where is this? Log4j 2 dot properties, guys. Log4j 2 dot properties. Here we are trying to work with what, my dear? File appender and what? JSON layout. File appender and what? JSON layout. Remaining everything is same, guys. Only here, what is the layout I am mentioning? This. Yeah, that's good. Sir, I'm able to write two files. I'm able to enjoy the layout. But don't say you cannot write to console. When big things are possible and original things also should be possible or not there. For that one, I should use console appender now, my dear. Layout is my choice. Okay. Okay. I want to work with what? Console appender. Okay. Let's see. I would like to work with what? Console appender. Yeah. Let's see, guys, what we can do. ChatGPT, log4j. What is there? Log4j2 properties for what is there? Console appender. Console appender. Okay. Console appender. Yeah, but a simple layout, there is no support now, guys. Okay. Yes, forget about that. Appender dot console dot type console. Name console appender. Layout is this. Layout is this. Yeah. Yeah, this is the complete code, guys. This is what? Complete code. Let me try. Console. Appender ref console. Console appender. Console appender. Okay. Optional kernel for console logs. Okay. No, we cannot enjoy this layout dot pattern. Okay, colorful logs will come. Console plus a file appender, console plus this. Okay, fine. So let's try this. Let's try this. What is the one I am looking for? Console appender. What is the appender I am looking for, guys? Console appender and JSON layout. Console appender. What we can print on the console? JSON content we can print. XML content we can print. Okay. There is something called pattern layout. In pattern layout, what happens, we can get control on order of the content. See, in HTML layout, first thread name, then class name, then message. Are you deciding the order? XML layout, are you deciding the order? What you want, are you deciding? Everything is fixed or not there? No, if you want, you can get control on what? This. Okay, let's see. Paste. Come to this, copy the code, say what? Paste. Yeah. Status name. First, what is there? Cut. Will come to this level. Root logger dot level debug. What is this? R. R is what? Logical name. R dot ref. Okay. Now, here I'm taking logical name as what? Console. Type. This indicates console appender. Okay, here also I am taking what? Console. That logical name and this logical name should match now, boss. Target system dot out. Out means this one. What's the layout type? Pattern layout. What is the pattern? Yeah. Okay, I'll make it simple, boss. Not all this stuff. I'll make it what? Simple. Percentile P. Hyphen symbol come. P means priority. Priority means which info na debugger that will come. percentile R, at what millisecond that message is printed. I'll give the table of these format specifiers, don't worry. Okay, at percentile C, are the class name, category name or what class name. Percentile T, the thread name. Percentile M, the message. And after that, I want to get what? Platform independent new line. What line, guys? Platform independent what? New line. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Fee per priority, percentile R for what? At what millisecond? So I'm able to customize the message or not there. You can change the order. Wherever, according to format specifier, I can specify. I can change the order or not there, guys. Okay, now I'm trying to get the messages on what? Console. I'm trying to look the messages on what? Console. That means along with the output, messages also will come on what? Console only. Yeah, right click, run as Java application. Yeah, see guys. See guys, where output is there, there only log messages are coming now, boss. That to my choice order now, my dear. Come on. Debug info, debug. See, this is P priority. At what millisecond these messages are done? Millisecond, not second. C for class name, T for thread name, M for message. Okay, percentile N is new line. New line we cannot see. Can you see the new line, guys? Can you really see the new line, my dear? Come on. We cannot really see the new line. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Yeah. Sorry, any ID you can use, Ra. What is there in that? Narasimha Suri. Okay. Any ID is there. ID is the discussion now. I'm comfortable in Eclipse. I'm using. If you are comfortable in IntelliJ, use IntelliJ. What is there in that? And moreover, the IntelliJ biggest problem is they give trial version. We have to upgrade what? License every month, or you have to search for cheat code, or every 30 days you have to reinstall. Some headache is there. I'll introduce IntelliJ. It's not like that. Look at this. In my system, IntelliJ is there. So ID is just a platform to write the code, guys. Okay. I don't know why you are worried that much about IntelliJ ID. Okay. Fine. I think those are attending Spring Boot microservices. Once in a while, I'm using IntelliJ there. It's not like that. But still, industry standard ID is what? 60 to 70% what? Eclipse. Yeah, 30-40% using IntelliJ ID. And if you know one ID knowledge, and it's easy to go to what? Another ID. It really does not take much time. It's your psychological feeling. It's your what? Psychological feeling. Oh, IntelliJ ID, I don't know. You just open it. Maybe a few other shortcuts will be there. But only problem IntelliJ ID is what? It's a commercial one. Every 30 days, your license will expire and you have to renewal it. Earlier, they used to give community edition free of cost. But nowadays, they stopped giving what? Community edition. I'll show. Since the discussion has come. IntelliJ ID. Yeah. Subscription has what? Expired. Continue without subscription. Continue and restart. This kind of headaches are there. Fine. Here also the same story. We can create a new project. Fine. All options are there as well. Okay. Yeah. Let's come back. So now right now we are dealing with what? Pattern layout and console appender. Or except simple layout and all other layouts are working. Let's have a look on simple layout. Earlier I have written exactly simple layout now, but what are we got? We got some exception or not there. Okay, somehow it is not working with what? Simple layout. It's a bug as of now, it's a bug in log4j2. In future, they may sort out. But console appender and what? Pattern layout is working. Okay, in 1 minute, I want to check once. Comment this, comment this. Come on, guys. Comment this. Yeah, appender dot console dot layout dot type is there. What is there? Appender dot console dot layout dot type is there. Okay, fine. So here what I take is copy this, paste, appender dot console dot layout dot type. Here I am writing what? Simple. I'm just trying one more time. With the console appender, it is working or not. Yeah, select test dot Java. Run as what? Java application. Again, exception is coming now, boss. You use with any combination, there is no support for what? Simple. There is no support for what? Simple. Okay, that's great. Console appender and what? Pattern layout. Copy this. Tell me, boss. Console appender and pattern layout. Console appender and pattern layout. Yes, guys. So these are the format specifiers we have got, my dear. Yeah, file appender and pattern append. File appender. In a file, I want to get it. What is there? In a file, I want to get. Yeah, gives this one. Level, message, M. Okay, now I want to give, I want to give all format specifiers of the pattern layout now, my dear. It's better to maintain one table. I think already I might have kept or not kept. Yeah, actually I kept in log4j 1.x. I kept in what? Log4j 1.x. Let me bring that one as it is here. Otherwise, we may get some better one. Huh? Let's ask ChatGPT to give better one. ChatGPT. Tell me. Pattern layout. What is there? Format specifiers table. Pattern layout format specifier table. Okay. See, it's giving meaning of all the symbols now, guys. It's giving meaning of all the symbols or not. Or ANSI style, if you want to get bold, underline colors also, boss. There's a possibility of getting what? Style. Style also you can specify. This is the big list of this one or not there. L for line number, L for, okay, MSZ. Everything is having its own meaning. Everything is having its own meaning. A big table is there here. Okay. A short table. I just want to get as a short table. Super short table. Huh? Okay. Super short table. Okay. We'll present everything because you need information, right? Yeah. Let me present this one, guys. Yeah, I'm not teaching log4j log4j1 guys, I'm teaching directly log4j2 because log4j1 is a old one, but I kept in the material for your knowledge, understanding sake. Okay, log4j, where is this? Log4j2 pattern layout. That's good. Yeah, tell me next one. Format specifiers. What is there? Percentile or percentile PID. Percentile host name. Okay. Percentile host name. Okay. Right. I just want to see things coming in what? Colors and bold italic. Let's try. Let's enjoy on the console. Example on console appender and pattern layout. Pattern layout with style. Pattern layout with style. I'm looking for style, guys. Okay. Pattern. Okay. Using properties file. I'm looking for what? Properties file are not there. Are same inputs you can give through XML also. Check it out here. This is the thing. Console.layout pattern. Okay, pattern layout. Okay, this part is very important for me. Okay. This part is very important. Yes. Okay, comment this, paste this. Yeah, paste this. Here is what? Paste. Entering. Appender dot console dot layout dot pattern. Percentile D. That too I am specifying in which format the date should come. Okay. Okay. What is there? Percentile D. HHMMSS. HHMMSS. If you want, you can mention here also, boss. Okay. I want to get the year in what format? DD, MM, triple M, 4 wise. Yes. T, thread name. T for not time, it's a thread name. Okay, next one. Percentile highlight. Percentile what? Highlight. Highlight means apply the formatting. Okay, percentile 5p. Are 5p means what? Space. Here, percentile 5p means what? Having 5 letters. Having what? 5 letters, you have to get the priority. If it is fatal, red, bold. If it is error, red, warning, yellow. Okay, info, green. Debug, cyan. Trace what? Blue. Okay, trace blue. Percentile style, C1. C means class name I want to get in what style. And that to what style, guys? Bold style. And lastly, I want to display the message. Followed by that, I want to get a new line. Followed by that, I want to get what? New line. Yeah, that means I'm trying to apply some styles over here are not there. Highlight is also there to apply styles. Percentile style is also there to apply what styles? Percentile style is also there to apply what styles? Okay. Let's see whether we are able to do that work. Right click, run on Java application. 1 minute before that, let me comment this JSON related story. Let me comment this JSON related story. Okay. Yeah. Where are the colors, my dear? 21st November 2025. That is good. Debug. Debug. I'm missing the colors. I'm missing the colors. All are coming. They are not. I'm not saying they are not coming. But I asked for some what? Colors support. Here, debug one color, info one color, all these colors. Okay. Maybe I have to do something extra. This gives colored output. This gives what? Colored output. Yeah, quick explanation. Okay, fine. For new line, this is for time. You want, I can also give background colors, version icons, version with multiple. But why color is not coming? Why color is not coming? Is my console it not ready to see to show the colors? Okay, 1 minute. We'll ask ChatGPT only why colors are not coming, because we see syntax don't remember. Always process you. That means possible or not possible. If possible, what is there? Yeah, okay. Why console is not showing colors and styles? Your terminal does not support ANSI colors. On Windows, older cmd.exe or PowerShell may not show unless running on Windows 10 and ANSI support is enabled. How to enable ANSI support? Okay. How to enable what? ANSI support. But the console that support ANSI fully. Windows PowerShell old, Windows CMD old, Windows Terminal old. Okay. Git bash, yes. Linux Mac terminal what? Yes. Okay. Risen boss. IntelliJ Eclipse console, mostly no. Understood the reason, guys? This is the reason why we are not getting colors now, my dear. Okay, unless plugin is used. Okay, since the discussion has come, okay, Eclipse plugin to get ANSI colors. This is how you have to improve your requirement, right? Yeah, Eclipse plugin to get what? ANSI colors on the console. Eclipse plugin to get the ANSI color in the plugin. Use the plugin NC escape in console. This plugin interpret ANSI escape sequence character and Eclipse console. If you are using what? 2022 9 later support built into the Eclipse console. Do you want to need the plugin in case? Yeah. Array we are using. I think we are using 20. You tell me which version of Eclipse. I can check exactly compatibility and provide correct updates. I think I am using 2025. Help about Eclipse ID 2024-09. 2024-09. Okay, let's not fight. We'll try once. Okay. Eclipse. Yeah. Searching in the web whether support is there or not. Yeah, in preferences, run debug console and see support. What to check and configure? Do you see colors in this? Windows preferences, run debug, ANSI support. Ensure ANSI support is what? Checked. Optionally check Windows color mapping, bold intense, okay, reverse. If you are on Windows, ensure escape sequence characters are not being shown. Make sure that log output is having what? At the rate highlight. Remaining everything is there. Now let's go for, yeah, where is this? Windows, preferences. Yeah, where is next one? Run debugger, run. I think run, where is this? Console, console. Where is guys? ANSI, here. ANSI color characters. Interpret carry is written as what? Control character. It was not in select mode. Now I have selected it now, my dear. Okay. Debug console settings. Apply, apply and close. Right click guys. Run as Java application. ANSI support. Enable ANSI support is checked. Do you have ANSI support checkbox guys here? Windows preferences, run debug, console here, ANSI support. Yeah, here, where is this? Enable ANSI support. Use colors mapping. Show escape sequences. Okay. Color palette. Okay, that's fine. Apply, apply and close. Right click, run as what? Java application. Fine, leave it. We did whatever what that is required to do, but still not coming means what? Better not to worry about it. Yeah, this is done. If you are on Windows, okay, optionally check Windows color mapping. That is also done. Ensure. Make sure that log output is escape mode. Example, your login pattern uses percentile highlight or this. If ANSI codes are output, nothing will be. Okay, fine. We are writing this now, boss. Run your application directly in Xib using standard console, not on external console. Okay, so that ANSI will be supplied. But we are working in this one, guys. If colors still don't appear, right? Colors don't appear. Check you have a plugin overrides console behavior. Disable ANSI. Try minimal code. Hello color test. Okay, guys. If red appears, then ANSI support is what? Working. Okay. If not work, enable ANSI support is what? You might need to install plugin. Okay. What? ANSI escape in console just to be safe. Okay. Though not plugin is mentioned, this plugin need not to be starting with what? Eclipse 2022 this. Okay. I think we have to think about installing this plugin now, guys. Okay, 1 minute. First of all, let me take this. 1 minute. We have taken this task now. Let's enjoy the task now. Okay, fine. Without that also fine. That is nowhere related to subject. I'm trying once. Okay. Now this is not coming. Then we have to think about installing some plugin there now, guys. Yeah, run as Java application. Oh, that means red color is coming, guys. It's coming or not there. So that means no need of installing what? Plugin. Yeah, that's good. Hmm. That means plugin is already there. Problem is from our side only. What is there? Problem is what? Our side. So some Unicode characters. When I place some Unicode characters, they are really appearing or not there. When I place some Unicode character, they are really appearing. Okay, that's good. Now, let me check log4j2 dot properties. Highlight. What is there? Percentile highlight. Percentile 5p. Priority is coming. Fatal red bold. Error red. Warn yellow. Info green. Debug cyan. Okay, is that? Debug what? Cyan. Style percentile C. I am looking for what? Bold. Ready, then ANSI support is working. If it does not work, that's log4j sample pre-configured for color logging inside Eclipse. Would that help? Would you like to send step-by-step screenshot of 4.3 exactly screen setting? Fine here, leave it. Let's come back to the subject. Option is there. Whether you want to use it or not, that's up to you, right? Okay, but don't give up. I don't want to extend, that's why I'm giving up. But you try. One or other possibility will be there to get the color. Because plugin is there means definitely it should also work or not there, guys. Okay, now I would like to use this concept. I would like to use this concept in file appender and pattern layout, guys. What's your next requirement? File appender and what? Pattern layout. Yeah, file appender and pattern layout. It does not work. File appender and pattern layout. Let's have a look on it. Yeah, tell me. What is the logger level? Debug. What is the file.ref? File.ref. What is there? Log file. What's the type? File. This indicates I want to work with the file appender. This logical name should match. Where you want to write the messages? XT. What is the append mode? True. What is the layout? Pattern layout. So here, okay, in that pattern layout, what are the messages I want to get, guys? Percentile D, 4 mmdd, hour, minute, second. Percentile T, thread name. What about this square bracket? They are just for decoration. Thread name within brackets I want to get. Tell me next one. Percentile file level. Percentile what? File level. With 5 letters, you want to get priority level. Priority level you can get either by using percentile level or percentile P. Both are one and the same. Percentile logger. Logger means the class name. Max of 36 letters should come or not there. Max of 36 letters. What's the meaning of logger, guys? Check it out. Okay, meaning of logger. Logger is a shortcut to get multiple details. Percentile logger. Percentile logger. Okay. Percentile logger gives what? What is there, guys? Percentile logger gives what? Full logger name, usually fully qualified class. Percentile C means only class name will come. Percentile logger means what? Fully qualified class name. Logger 1, short name only, package R class. Logger 2, last 2 segments of package R class. Logger 36, logger name truncated to what? Max length. Logger name truncated to what? Max length. Max length of what? 36. Okay. Next boss. Percentile message. Logger message. Percentile M. Uppercase M is combination of multiple things, guys. Okay. Now let's me. Percentile M. Percentile M Method name calling the logger. The method name is going to come. What is going to come? Method name. Array, there are so many combinations, guys. Marker, log marker name. Marker what? Simple name, simple name. PID, process ID. Host name, current computer name. Host name is nothing but what? Current computer name. Percentile, what is there? Host name. Percentile what? Host name. Got it? Yes. Yeah. Tell me next one. Run as Java application. Run as what? Java application. Unrecognized format specifier. Host name. Any spell mistake from our side? Host name. N capital. It's a case sensitive, guys. Host name. Where what? N capital. That's good. Here is my what, my dear? Select test. Run as Java application. Alright, it's not recognizing Rava. Unrecognized format specifier, host name, starting with what? Position 7. Host name, percentile host name. But it is saying it is valid now, boss. Host name, percentile host name. Fine, if they are not giving, what we can do? We cannot do anything if they are not giving. Let me print at least process ID. Percentile PID. Okay. Select test.java. What dot Java? Yeah, there is no error, guys. There is no error. So now you say refresh. Yeah, I asked to create a new log file. Application underscore log3.txt. Here is my what? Text editor. So much information is coming or not there? Lot of information is coming over here or not there? Interesting, my dear. Come on. Yeah, whatever I asked that is coming over here or not there. This is called pattern layout. Most regularly used layout is what? Pattern. Because there is a possibility of customizing the message or not there. There is a chance of customizing message. That's why most regularly used layout is what? Pattern layout. Yeah, check it out. Initially you might have thought, these entries are very difficult. But if you understand one thing that is applicable everywhere or not there. Maybe first time it looks different, but later it's all about changing what? Appender name and what? Layout name. So if layout is pattern layout, extra inputs you have to give. Apart from that, anything great, guys? Okay. Yeah, first time it looks, who will remember those keys? But after that, once you observe, same pattern is repeating in the messages are not there. Same pattern is repeating in the messages are not there, guys. Yeah, fine. Rolling file appenders in log4j can be implemented in what? Two ways. One is size based. Other one is what? Time based. Size based is like what? Rolling file appender of what? Log4j 1.6. Once size is hit, okay, it will try to create the backup files or not there. Time based is like what? Daily rolling file appender. So when I say what is there? Daily rolling file appender. Every minute one log file, every hour one log file, every day one log file, every 12 hours one log file. Like this we can specify now, my dear. Okay, guys. Like this we can specify. Check it out. Rolling file appender and pattern layout. Debug. Logical name rolling file. Type rolling file. Logical name rolling file. File name is what, guys? App underscore log4.txt. That's good. Pattern. That file should be created. Backup file should be created in which pattern? App underscore log4j hyphen percentile D. What is there? This will decide the entire story. This will decide the entire story. If we give like this, every day one log file. Okay, if we give some other I.txt. Everything is decided by here. Everything is what decided. It should be per day, per minute, per hour, whatever information you give based on that, that will be decided. What is append mode? True. What's the layout? Pattern layout. Pattern layout is patterns are given or not there. Rolling policies type is what? Rolling policies type is what? Policies. Type is what? Size based triggering policy. What's the max size I have given? 5K. For every 5 KB, tell me, for every 5 KB, a new log file will be created as backup file or not there. For every 5 KB, new log file will be created as what? Backup file or not there. Okay, right now, listen carefully. Size based. Okay, how much content? Okay, how content matters. Not hour, not time, all this stuff. Okay. But in the log file, I just want to have date and time. In log file, I just want to have what? Date. On which date that log file is created. Right, boss? Okay. This is what? Rolling file appender. That means it creates a new log file based on what? Based on the size of the log file. Suppose 5 KB. Once first 5 KB is it will create one back file. Second 5 KB is completed, it will create what? Another backup file. Like this, it will create multiple backup files or not there. Like this, it will definitely create what? Multiple backup files are not there, guys. Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Size-based triggering policy. What is there, guys? 5 KB. Size-based triggering policy. What is there, guys? 5 KB. Yeah. Let's have a look. Root logger, debug. What's the logical name? Rolling file. What is the type? Rolling file. Okay. This logical name, that logical name should match. If you are interested, you can take R file. What file, guys? R. To avoid the confusion, guys. No, here rolling file. Here it should be R file. Appender dot rolling dot what? File name. App underscore log4.txt or not there. Yeah, next one. Appender dot rolling dot file pattern. Array, this rolling is not fixed. Anything you can take. App underscore log4j hyphen percentile d. Or in every file, I want to give date. I want to involve what? Date. And year number also. Array, this I value will increment time to time. Okay, first file. App underscore log4j date 1.txt. App underscore log4j 2.txt, 3.txt. Like this, I want to append or not there. This. You want to open in append mode? Yes. What is the layout? Pattern layout. What are the things you want to show in pattern layout? Date, thread, okay, priority, class name, message, percentile n. Message, percentile n. If you want to get the line number, percentile L. If you want to get the line number, you can get what? Percentile L. Okay. Fine. Okay, we have a lot of things, guys. Hyphen symbol for decoration. Yeah, appender dot rolling dot policies dot type policies. Okay, what is there? Size type. Size dot type. What is there? Size based triggering policy. What policy? Policy. And what is the max size that I am giving, guys? Yeah, once it is hit to 5 KB, it should happen, right? Once it will touch 5 KB, it should start creating what? Backup file. So now what I do is, I don't disturb this. File appender and what? Pattern layout. Comment this. Yeah, this is a debug. This is a ref R file. Type rolling file, R file. tor.txt, i.txt, append mode, all this stuff is taking place or not there, guys? All this stuff is taking place or not there, guys? Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. File, close all editors. Tell me now. Select test.java. What test.java? Select test. Run as, what is there? Run as Java application. Yeah. What's the size of the file that is created, guys? Right click, refresh. Okay. app underscore log4.txt. Why error? Console. Okay. We'll run one more time. What's the file name I have taken, guys? app underscore log4 dot. Here, what is the file name we have? log4j2 dot properties. Let's come back. app underscore log4 i.txt. 1 minute. I delete this and we'll check once. Okay. Yeah. Select test.java. Java application. We got output. Happy. Say refresh. Yeah, when I say refresh, exception is okay. It's a Sonar Cube related error, leave it. It's nowhere related to what? Our console. It's a Sonar Cube console, guys, leave it. What's the size of the file, my dear? 1110. That means it is not even 1 KB. Is it 1 KB, guys? No. Okay, to get more messages, what should I do? Java application. Second time 2 KB. Third time 3 KB. Fourth time 4 KB. Fifth time 5 KB. Fifth time 5 KB. Understanding my statement, guys? This is the output we are working about now, boss? Yeah, boss. Yeah. Where is this? Right click. Where is this? Refresh. Yeah. See, guys, once 5 KB size is crossed, it is generating one log file or not there. See here. Okay. That is a 286. Array, that is a current file. But backup is created having 5 KB content. Backup is created having 5 KB content, right, my dear? Come on. This is current content. This is one backup file that is being created or not there. Okay, now what is this number? Index. This is a first backup file. It's a date and it's a first backup file. Let me run another 5 times. Java application. Second time. Third time. Fourth time. Fifth time. Okay. Now say refresh. Second backup file is created now, my dear. Like this, it is going for what? Time-based rolling or not? So definitely it is doing what, guys? Yeah. Definitely it is doing time-based rolling. What do you say, guys? It's really happening or not there, guys? It's really taking place or not there, guys? Okay. Here happily it is doing what? Time-based rolling. What do you say, my dear? Come on. Is it really taking place or not there, guys? Okay, that's fine. Okay, this is time based. Time based means, okay, based, sorry, not time based, size based. Based on the size, it is creating a backup files. Do you think all these are possible with system.out.println, guys? Do you really think all these are possible with system.out.println? Definitely not possible, no doubt in that, right? Yes. Yeah, these are sonar cube errors, guys. Leave it. These are nowhere related to our log4j. Okay, now let me say this is what rolling size based. Here we are going for size based rolling now, boss. This is size based rolling. I hope you are enjoying the options that are having now, boss. Yeah, tell me. Here, what? How does it is coming first? This always maintains one current backup file. What's the current backup? app4 underscore app4 underscore log4 dot 2025. What's that? 10th month. Okay. 10th month. What is the today's date? 21st. 21st iPhone. 21st. Acha, this is current file. Current file is directly this one only. Na? Current file is this. Backup file will be in other mode. There will be multiple backup files now, guys. First backup file, second backup file, third backup file. Like this, there will be multiple backup file based on the size. Okay. app4 underscore, sorry, app underscore log4 iPhone 2025. Okay. 1021. app underscore log4 iPhone 2025 1021. 1021 iPhone 1 iPhone 1.txt. I hope you got it. Yeah. app4 underscore log4 2025 1021 1.txt. This is there. Yeah. Next. This is what? 2.txt. This is going to be what? 3.txt. This is going to be 3.txt. Yeah, all this will have log messages or not there. Yeah, this is what? 5 KB. This is a 5 KB. Next. This is what? 5 KB. This is a 5 KB. This is again what? 5 KB. We are keeping 5 KB, 5 KB over here or not there. Yeah, this is a current log file. Current log file. Yeah. Here is what? Current log file. Tell me here, where is the story? From here to here we will go now, guys. Here to here it will go. Wait a minute. We'll put some different symbols. One thing. Like this kind of log files will be created. Nothing. Log file 1. These are backup files now, boss. These are called backup files. This is definitely what? Backup. So size-based rolling are not there, guys. Fine. We have some more discussion related to time-based rolling. Yes, we have what? Time-based rolling. And some FAQs also there. I think you are understanding the real power of what? SL4j with log4j? Yeah, same.